So now you're going to feel a little rope pressure. Here it comes. Drag you for a second. You're not going to get up. Put your hold on. No, hold on. Your front foot is
put your right foot out more. Spread your legs.
Spread daw. Yes.
And control your weight, your left foot, right foot, how the board flows.
Gets mo?
So where the drag comes on from the boat.
Let me see what's going on. Chris, get over here. Watch what's going on. I've taken many people, taught many people. Nope. You're not.
Kailangan nakaharap ka sa boat, ganyan.
You're not listening. You just gotta stick your heels there. I'm gonna give you some tension.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Jack. Ganyan ang nangyari sa akin. Pero pag na-focus ka...
Relax. Hold on. Here we go. Bend your knees. Nope.
I can't. You can! Mas malaki ka. You're bigger than me. You can.
Put your feet more. Yes. Keep them there.
Dana ra daw. Ganyan lang daw.
Here we go.
Itulak mo yung board. Tulak! Tayo, Jack! Tayo! Jack, iatras mo yung ano mo, left. Yes! Jack! Tayo! What happened? What happened?
You're like dragging like an anchor right now. Here, oh good.
Yes! Karon! Kato!
That's exactly it.
Kato!
Not going yet.
Kana! Bend your knees! Bend your knees!
Squat.
Tayo! Hila! Tayo! Sa chest mo, sa dughan, yung tali! Tulak! Ay, hawak sa tali! Tayo! Oops! Oh, she can't handle the roof. The legs is okay, the board is okay, but bend down ish. Ops.
She's got her feet too far. Her feet are too far in the middle of the board.
Oh.
She'll be on the side.
Hindi yung katawan.
I'll come around. Yes.
Babalik na kami.
Noisy screw. I'm not pulling you because you're sideways. You're never going to come out of the water like that.
Ganyan.
Move, squirrel.
Okay. Dalawang kamay. Okay.
And give you a little pressure. So you feel like your heels are going to come up underneath the board. And I'm going to pull you out. Here we go, right? Hold on. Let go of the rope. You should always let go of the rope, no matter if you fall off. Always let go. Do not hold on.
You're not going to stop the boat.
Hindi mo daw mapipigilan